Hello friends, this is Aniruddha from Bangalore, Kolkata once again. We have got a new item today from Amazon. It's called a hot suction mini car holder, which is used to mount action cameras in front of your car on your windshield. So this is my first video for unboxing any of the items from Amazon. Well, thanks to Amazon, and let's see how it goes.
Pull my heart out of my chest, train my mind so I forget. Sink your teeth into my bones, dig me out, then fill the hole. Tear me apart, and watch it burn. Tear me apart, and watch it burn.
Well, here we go. This is the box we received from Amazon just today, a few minutes ago, and this is how it looks. It comes with a monopod and a screw. Diameter is around 7 centimeters, and it has a rotation of 180 degrees. So you can adjust it on your car, and you can swivel it around and position your camera accordingly. Let's give it a shot and we'll try opening it and see how it works. This is the clamp and the screw attached with it to mount the camera on, and below that you see the monopod which has the suction cup which goes onto the cameras or on the car windshield or on the car bonnet. This is a handy product if you are using a GoPro cam or say a Hero Action cam or say an SJ cam. This is a very handy product to fix it in front of your car and take lovely photographs while driving. It doesn't shake so much, it doesn't give jitters while driving, so it's quite a handy thing to use. Advisable if you want a good camera capture of the roads or of the scenic beauty. This one can be fixed onto the car bonnet and you can use it. I have a camera SJ6, SJCam SJ6 Legend. Currently I'm mounting it on the suction cup as well as with the monopod. And you can see the angle of rotation as well. It has a 180-degree rotation, and you can move your cameras all around. You can see by the knob, you can adjust the knob and you can rotate and position the camera according to your quality or according to the sceneries that you want. And you can mount it on the car bonnet. Quite sturdy enough, and I believe worth the money. The link will be given in the description, so you can go ahead and check it out and give it a try. Currently using the phone as a flat surface so that we can show you how it works. You can see the hold. It holds on pretty well to the surface. So I think it's quite a try. You can give it a try, but the link is given in the description. You can go ahead and buy it from there. Not so costly, comes at a low price and gives you a full value for the money, and gives you a good camera capture while driving on the road. A lot of shakes on the road, but I think it will sustain it. Not yet tried it, just new. So we'll give it a try very shortly. You can see the angle, how many angles you can shoot on, or how you want to position your camera according to the scenery around. And it's quite a handy thing if you want a good camera capture of the roads while you're driving, and safe enough for the camera, as gives a good grasp on the camera as well. This is for all. Just a short video on this mini cup suction cup for car use with monopod and screw. 7 cm diameter base. It's good for GoPro Hero 7 all models, Hero 6, Hero 5, Hero 4, SJCam all models, as well as for any other action cameras. And good for people who love driving and riding and who wants to explore places and go to mountains or maybe forests or jungles. And you can go ahead and fix it on the bonnet or on the windshield, and you can capture some amazing pictures while you're on the move.